Yeah, it's Saturday morning, December 10th. It's about 4:35 a.m. and I'm on my way to my first event of the day. Downtown Seattle at Christmas time is always fun because they always wrap all the cranes in Christmas lights. Here we are downtown Seattle at the Washington Athletic Club, also known affectionately as the WAC. You know your client has more than a few bucks when you realize that they have their own Chihuly collection. Never fails. What should have been an easy drop-off turns into a delay. Perfectly fine, leaker. Perfectly fine, leaker. That's why we bring spares. Here we are at the shop. Good morning, Alexa.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fantastic.
You can only be so fantastic at 5:30 in the morning, right?
Yes.
All right, very good. And on that end over here, keeping watches, Kansas. He's doing a really good job of supervising. Anyway, we've got about two. Typical Kansas, get to work. So we got about 2 hours of prep work before the next job. You ready?
See.
Let's do this. 7:30 a.m. and we are ready to go with a loaded truck.
Ready for the day, the night, and the morning.
This is a very different image than what we saw last night driving through here. Being so close to the Cascade Mountains means that as you get closer to the mountains, you run into lots of snow. And last night, our first, or I should say our next location was absolutely in blizzard-like conditions, so I'm hoping today will be much easier for us. Time for install number 2 at Snoqualmie Casino. Alexa putting the spiral on the street lamps. All right, we're all set, we're all done, everything's ready to go for the next job?
See.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are we all cleaned up?
Yes.
Are you positive?
See. Oh. Oopsie. My bad. Sorry. Okay, we're ready.
All right, next stop.
Hello,
Brianna. How are you, Brianna? This is Brianna. She's our friend who works with us sometimes when we're really, really busy. How's it going, Brianna?
Good.
This is our first real break of the day. We've had it for 5 hours now.
See.
Oh, you're all fogged up. That's so funny.
It's like, like boiling lava hot.
See that really tall building right there? That is the Columbia Tower, and that is the site of our next event. What is your name?
My name is Mustafa.
Mustafa, nice to meet you. So basically your job is to make sure that nobody hijacks this elevator. Right? No vendors like us come in here and hog it the whole day. You're our hero. Let me tell you. You have no idea how much we mean that right now. Thank you for being here. The word for today from all of our jobs seems to be panoramic. And there's the Space Needle right over there. Way down there. So have you been over here slacking?
See.
Basically doing nothing but just like setting all these arches and stuff?
See.
Because you're not really doing anything at all today.
Nope, never.
And look who's here. It's Lisa from Make a Scene.
Hi.
And what is she doing? She's making a scene. Always so pretty.
Lights are out and no one's home.
What she said.
So we are sadly about 30 minutes early. So we are now in a freakish holding pattern, waiting for our client to
Waiting
arrive.
for people.
Waiting to party. Alexa looks so excited. Sitting in her little cubby hole. Alright, so here we are setting up our 4th install of the day. Lex is making it all girlified. And this is our lovely client. Hello.
I love him.
So who's having 16th birthday today?
My daughter and her friends, so
There you go.
Denise and Maya.
Very good. Very excited. So it's a very exciting time.
Celebrate your birthday.
This is what happens when we don't get to finally take an actual meal break until like 3 p.m.
Don't just stop yelling at me.
You would assume after a day like we've already had, we'd be done. But the answer is no, because we still have 2 more jobs to prep for tomorrow. Well, technically 1 for tonight and 1 for tomorrow. Is that right?
See.
We are on it again. The word for today is si.
See.
Still going.
Still just a potato.
Let the fun begin. We all done?
See.
All right, we have a very important stop to make now.
Okay.
In addition to everything we've had going on today, today is actually my birthday. So, and I can't tell you how many times I've forgotten today is my birthday, given how much work we had to do. But we've got a couple hours down now before we have to finish the rest of our work tonight. So we're going to enjoy it. What are you doing? What are you doing? I guess that's why you asked for a booth.
I'm thinking.
Okay, ready for this? All right, I'm gonna do my best. All right. I've been practicing all damn day. Let's see if I get this right. Es mi cumpleaños.
Oh,
¿Dónde está mi sombrero?
cuando termine. Sombrero time.
Sí.
Yay!
Ah, there we go. Sí.
Everybody, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Panchito. Happy birthday to you. ¡Feliz cumpleaños, Pancho!
Very good. Nothing chases a bunch of partiers out the door like popping balloons, does it?
See.
It's all fun and games until somebody lets the helium go. Did you do this?
No.
Like a tiger trapped in a cage, we pace, eagerly waiting for security to come to let us out of the dock at Columbia Tower. And our last stop is the same as our first stop, back at the whack. This time to install the second piece of the decor. And we are done.